this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to July 5th prompt for Junk Journal July, which is hosted by Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And I know I said I was only going to upload videos for Monday and Thursdays, and even though today's Friday, I couldn't help myself because when I saw that the prompt was lettering, it just kind of brought me back to when I used to first start scrapbooking. My first love for paper crafting came from scrapbooking, and then so I looked up the definition of lettering, which is basically let's see if I can get that in close. The process or art of forming letters. So this is my dilemma. I couldn't help myself because it just brought me back to my paper crafting days early on. And when this is probably one of my favorite themes when it relates to like your vintage type, vintage files, postcards, handwriting, things like that. And so I'm kind of like, I went through some of my scraps, and these are just some of the things that I have, and it can relate to, you know, like I said, things relating to like office, you know, like your clipboard, the papers you use, your documents, you know, different styles of paper, different styles of type. You know, I've stamped on things. There's the embossing. There's the different styles of type, like different letterheads and fonts and things like that. And then you've got, you know, your books and magazines. You know, just, oh my goodness. It's like going down a rabbit hole. And then here's just some scraps from different things with the different size letters and types of letters and colors and styles. You know what I mean? So, and then you have paper, you have your pens, you know, things relating to office and planning and just whatever, you know. So I've decided I'm just all over the place. I'm going to probably going to make like a file folder, use some of my dies. I don't know. I've got stamps. Yeah. Typewriter. I don't even know which one to use. I've used this one. I've never used this one. But I'm probably going to but there's only so much room you can put on a layout. So I'm trying to control myself. I just don't know where to start, honestly. I mean, I got fussy cuts, die cuts, like original vintage stamps, which I'll probably definitely use some of these. I don't know, just stuff, stickers, you know. So some of this I might not do on camera. I'm just going to show you what I'm working with. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm going to create something, but I just wanted to show you some of the things that I'm using. And then when I'm done, I'll just show you the finished product, because the way my mind works when I'm creating and crafting, I just come up with, it takes me a while to come up with an idea. So I'm just going to get off of here, do the project, and then I'll show you the project. And then this is going to be a super short video, so you'll just see what I made. And it's going to be made up of all this stuff that I just showed you. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I finally finished my layout. And it has like the typewriter, vintage, writing, telegram, recordings, filing, clerical, you know, things like that. So here's like a little pocket that I made. I just took some scrap paper, basically. It had like some paint and infusions and stuff run off on it. And then I just add just a little bit of stamping and then just some decoupaging and added that on there. And then this, of course, is a tuck spot. And basically all I did was, this was a negative from see, do I still have it? These right here. I had die cut some clipboard toppers, and then I just put some blue paper behind it, and then just used it like fussy cut around it, and then created like another makeshift clipboard. And then I took this lady from the cover of the Graphic 45 paper pack, because those are still good too, even though it's the cover. I mean, it's actually better quality than the actual paper, if you ask me. So I fussy cut it out, and then just kind of collaged on some like mini envelopes and flowers, and just different things that relate to type, you know, and recordings. These were die cut. Well, this is the die cut negative. And then for this right here, I just took some of that scrapbook paper, and I just found different styles of type or fonts, and then just went over it with a ballpoint pen and some glossy accents and let that dry. And you come on over here, we have our die cut. I die cut this out twice, and then just to make it kind of thick, and then I idled it up with some alcohol inks and distress. I put some crackle paste and distress paste on there, or some kind of paste on there. Anyway, and let it dry, and added like it's a silver chrome pen. I got this off of TikTok. It's like a mirror image. Not a mirror image. It has like a mirror kind of color. And then I just took some of the pieces that came from Meg and Get Messy Art, and then just made some tags out of them. I took the printout and then glued it to some cardstock, some coffee dye cardstock or paper, and then I die cut them out. And then I've got some embossing, regular embossing, and then some stamping, and then I have July 5th. And I did it similar to how I did that, but I didn't use Glossy Accents. I just used some embossing powder. And so for this, I left this specimen. I die cut it out in the specimen slide. Die cut it out, added some infusions whenever I was coloring the envelope, the file folder, the typewriter, and this. But I'm going to use that on another project, but I just wanted to add that in here. And then I just added some stamping on here on the file folder, and added a little tab on there, and then the word stamped and embossed word telephone number, and then just added some more of Meg and Get Messy Art's die cut tags. So I'm just going to put that in here, and I turned this into like a little makeshift pocket, so you can see the word lettering and number 5 for July 5th. And then I've got our little dictionary word definition right here. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my little take on lettering, which is basically making letters, words, somehow. Anyway. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And like I said, I'll have a link in the description to Meg's channel, and it'll give you links to her blog where you can get access to the digital printables. And I hope you come and join us, because it's very fun. There's a lot of artists out there who are collaborating, and each day there are different artists who are collaborating with Meg and Get Messy Art. So go check them out. Check out some of the other participants, and you will learn a lot of stuff. There's a lot of talent out there. It's really fun, and you get to meet new people, meet new ideas, well, not meet new ideas, but see new ideas, new techniques, things like that. So I'm not going to hold you up, but I hope you guys have a great day, and happy crafting.